Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. If we've never met before, my name is Nicole. I'm so glad that you're here. We're going to Disney. It's so funny, I feel like I was just here. I came back in December for all the Christmas stuff and I live 30 minutes away from the one in California. So it's just crazy that I've been to the one in Florida more times than I've been to the one in California this year. It's wild. Today we're going to Animal Kingdom. I'm so pumped and I really don't have anything else to say. So let's just get into the vlog. Oh! If you like these videos, if you're excited about this one and you love Disney vlogs, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Let's go. Really quick before we go, I want to show you what I'm wearing. I'm doing a cute little Belle inspired Disney bound today. It kind of just came together. I didn't plan on it being like this, but I love it. This white crop top I got off Amazon, yellow high-waisted shorts with pockets for snacks. Got these from Lulu's. This cute little crossbody purse. It's made out of seat belts. I don't know if you can see it, but it's Cogsworth from Beauty and the Beast, and it's actually super, super roomy. Like, you can fit so many things in there. And then these yellow ears just came out. They're velvet. I think they're actually part of the Winnie the Pooh collection. And then, of course, my mask. This is a cute little Beauty and the Beast inspired mask. It's the mosaic from her castle. Park Candy has a ton of really cute Disney inspired masks like this, and you can use Nicole if you want to get a discount on any of them. And this is what it looks like on. Meet my friend Raven. Hi. She is the Disney guru. I think you probably have been to Disney more than anyone I ever know in my whole life. And it makes me so happy.
It's a little excessive. I've also been going since I was like a child.
We've been friends for a couple years. Now we're having our first park day, so it's gonna be the best.
Woo! Here we go! Okay, fun facts about Animal Kingdom. When it first opened, Disney chose not to have signs or park maps or anything like that because they really wanted it to be an adventure. The kids were getting lost, parents were getting lost. It was insane.
So crazy.
Yeah, they had to put signs and maps.
That's like the Hunger Games, like throw everyone in the game and
Good
like,
luck.
yeah, wish for the best. I'm so glad they have maps now. I'd be so lost. But first, coffee.
Okay. Hey.
Oh! We're in Pandora right now. We're about to go on Flight of Passage. The line's only 20 minutes long. So crazy. I can't even like give you any kind of information because you just need to experience it yourself. It's so good. Raven's freaking out right now because apparently these Nuimos are from Japan and she didn't know they had them here in Florida. So she's telling her followers about these cute little things.
I'm so excited.
Okay, how do you feel about the dinosaur ride?
Me?
Yes.
I'm actually really scared of it.
Okay, here we are. I'm trying to decide if we should go on it. Thoughts?
I mean, to be honest, when the Carnosaur comes out, I cower like a chicken in the sea.
Please let me know down below if you like this ride, because I think we don't need to ride it today.
It's scary.
We're just gonna walk away. We're gonna walk away right now. We're going on Everest right now. Favorite ride probably in Animal Kingdom. This one's the best. I can ride this one like 5 times in a row and not get sick of it. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. Look at that. Welcome to my lounge. All that riding worked me up an appetite. Woo. We're gonna get lunch now. See you there. We're having lunch at my favorite place. I say this all the time. It's Animal Kingdom in the very back of Pandora. It's called the Tui Canteen. Best food ever. There are these like healthy, fresh bowls that are so flavorful. You can pick your base, choose your protein. It's just this like big pile of goodness and it's so good. Look at this. a tiger walk where there's real tigers as you walk.
Yeah.
Am I hearing this right?
Yeah, it's like a little trek and there's a whole area with tigers. And
is this new?
Beautiful. No, this has been around forever.
All right, so apparently I've been living under a rock and this has been around forever, but we're about to go do a little nature walk and apparently see some tigers.
I can't believe you haven't been back here. It's just beautiful.
I think we're here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The tree. We love the tree. Next time I see you, I'm gonna be at the castle. Bye. Good morning from Magic Kingdom. The castle's looking nice and pretty today. It's gonna be such a good day. But we had some really exciting things happen this morning. So let's just reverse a little bit and go back to what happened earlier. We're on our way to Magic Kingdom, but we stopped at Starbucks and asked the baristas to make us a drink that reminded them of Disney. We were like, we need Disney in a cup, just give us anything. And they came through, let me tell you. Y'all, this is so cute. It's kind of separated now, but it's a strawberry acai refresher with peach juice and coconut milk, and it's blended, so it's bright pink. And then they put these cute little pink sprinkles on the top. I don't know if you can see that. And then, y'all, the characters came and signed it. Ariel's here, Pluto's here, Mickey Mouse came through. We got Joy, Minnie Mouse down here in the bottom, Rapunzel, and look, even our little friend, she's got her Mickey ears on. It's super good too.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Like, I'm about to order this every day.
I don't think Mickey's like a pink guy,
I can
but
see
this
Mickey
is like
as
a mini
like
drink.
a black coffee type of guy.
Just black coffee, nothing
Yeah.
else? Maybe like a little vanilla,
Yeah.
pump of vanilla.
Yeah, and maybe some a cold foam on top, but just in the shape of Mickey.
In the shape, yes. or the cold foam with like the cinnamon sprinkle that's in the shape of Mickey.
Yeah.
That's what he orders.
Or
So-
like a
I
MM.
love how we're deciding what Mickey and Minnie order at Starbucks.
So the castle, you know, when you walk up, you're like, oh my god, the front of the castle is so beautiful. The front of the castle is not the front of the castle. Surprise! It's the back of the castle, and the back of the castle is the front of the castle because that's where Prince Charming would rule over all of his subjects, in the back of the castle, which is actually the front of the castle.
Oh my goodness! Hello, Eeyore! Hello, Rabbit! How are ya today? Top of the morning to ya? Did you get your coffee? Hello! Oh my goodness, Eddie is taking us in the castle right now. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
Again, unfortunately, upstairs is
Oh my gosh, that man just let us in the castle.
So nice.
We are legit, we are in Cinderella's castle right now. I just stopped to get the Le Fou's brew from Gaston's Tavern, which is right back over there. There it is. Ooh, it's like a frozen apple juice, and then there's this like passion fruit foam on the top, like a frozen apple pie slushie. There we go. Super refreshing. We're in line for Haunted Mansion right now. Raven is like the Haunted Mansion pro.
I love
Do you have any like weird Haunted Mansion tips or something?
Oh my god, I have everything. Let's see if we can go through the extra queue on the side and I can explain the whole thing.
Okay, we're doing it.
So we all know the story of the bride Constance. So her wedding ring is actually here in the graveyard. She left her wedding ring right here.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
there's her wedding ring.
These busts, it's like a murder mystery clue, like who killed who type thing. And each of the busts have a story on them that lead to who killed them and how they killed them. And each bust has clues on top of it. So that one over there has a snake around him because he was killed by poison. You can kind of see it. But yeah, they have seeds because they were killed by canary seeds. They all have different ones, so. It's hard.
Fun facts. Any Haunted Mansion fans, comment below. You I can't even say a word. This is so proud of you. You guys, you're the first one. Well, technically she was the first one, but you're the first ones to see that we hit 100K on YouTube. I just opened the app and saw this. What? I just gotta say, ever since I started my channel when I was 13, that was like a long time ago, this has been my one goal, like a big milestone I always wanted to hit. And truthfully, I didn't ever think I could hit it. So this is crazy. Like, I can't even believe this, but thank you so much. Join the fam. Clearly there's a lot of fun people in here and we want you to be part of it. We're leaving the parks, it just closed. This is always the saddest part.
I'm so sad.
Today was such a good day, it was so fun.
It was literally perfect.
We rode all the rides. It was like 5-10 minute waits on everything. We did so much.
Amazing.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you like seeing Disney vlogs, if you want to see more, or what other kind of videos you want to see on this channel. Also, if you're not already, please hit that subscribe button. Join the best family ever. It's the easiest way that you can support your favorite creator, and it's free. So, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye.